In the name of God, hello fellows, how are you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to use Vim and not to be scared of using Vim. First of all, I'm gonna show you the name of some marks that you might gonna need them to know. If you're not a native English speaker, you might not know about them. This is colon, this is semicolon, this is exclamation mark, this is question mark. This one was exclamation mark, and this is dot or period, and this is comma, forward slash, backward slash, pipeline or line, someone say that. This is hyphen, this is underline. Use hyphen, underline, hyphen, you get something like that. All right, let's jump into using Vim. We have file or we want to create a file, doesn't matter, use Vim and type the name of that file. Here is a.py. We've got nothing special in it. Let me delete that. When you open a file, first of all, you need to know how to get out. Just get out. Don't think about anything. We have three common mode in Vim. The first of all is insert mode, and another one is visual mode, and another type when you are using escape. What is escape? On the top left of your keyboard, there is a key called escape, ESC. Press that key, use your shift and column button, write a column, and write Q and exclamation mark. You might see them down here on the left bottom of your Vim page. Hit enter. You're going to get out. Nothing will be saved. You just get out. If you cat that file again, you will see that line is already there, but we delete them, but we just get out. We didn't save the file. So if you want to save a file, you have to go and press escape, print a column, and then print W and hit enter. When you're using it, it means you are writing something. The W means write, the Q1 I told you means quit, and alright, let's write something here. Use I on your keyboard and you will get into visual mode. In visual mode, it's like any other editing, like any other editors that you have been using them till now. Write whatever you want. Use the escape button, column, W, Q, and exclamation mark. It means write and quit. Don't use exclamation mark. W and Q, write and quit. Sorry, don't use exclamation mark. Write and quit. Hit enter. It will save the changes and get out. If you cat that file again, you will see, yeah, we've got some other things here. Vim a.py again. You're here and you can go up and down with your arrows. But let me tell you something. Use K, J, H, and L button. L keys, to navigate in if you don't want to use the arrow keys. Another thing, when you're here, if you want to open a new line, use the escape, go to command mode. When you're in escape mode, you can't write anything in the file. You are using a command mode. Hit O on your keyboard. It will open you another line and let you write down whatever you want. Or if you want to open a line upper than the line you're in, for example, watch here, you're in this line. If you want to open a new line, in the bottom of that line, use O. If you want to open a line upper that line, use Shift and O. You see that? And you're again free to write whatever you want. If you want to delete a line entirely, use D twice. D, it will delete the line. D, delete the line. It's not actually deleting, it's cutting that line. If you want to paste it, you can paste it. How to paste the line? Let me show you. You delete something or you copy that. I will let you know how. Let's let you know how. Now, use the Y button. It's called yank. Use it twice. It will yank a complete line. It will copy a complete line. Go whatever you want and hit P. It will paste that line that you copied or you deleted. In a better way, you cut that line. Hit P. It will paste that line for you. Delete them, delete them, delete them. If you want to delete one word or uh, one letter, I mean, if you want to delete one letter, go up to that letter and hit X. Let me write something here. Lots of G, one capital A and another G. All right, go on the A. If you hit X, it will delete that one character. And if you want to delete a bunch of characters, for example, 5 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come to the first letter that you want to delete them. Hit 5 and X. It will delete 5 characters. That's what we do in Vim. Open a new line, write something down. Oh, let me delete them. Write something real. Hello, 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 hello. How are you doing in this day? Alright, let me save it. So we've done saving. How? By pressing escape, using a comma, column and W. If you want to delete a word, use D and W. It lets you delete a word. That's kinda weird things, isn't it? Use delete and W, it will delete the word until the end. You get me? Let me show you again. You're typing a hello here. If you are at the first letter of that word, use W, use D and W, it will delete that word. If you are in the middle and you want to delete that, if you use W and D, it will delete the list of the word. Alright. Some other things you might want to know is append. If you are in Vim and instead of using I and a space or go to write and write something, I mean using the right arrow and type something, you can just easily use A. It means append. It will use a space and let you write whatever you want. And if you're just going to replace a word, for example, in you want to change the O and replace a U instead again. Use R and then the next letter you're typing, it's going to replace with this character. For example, I'm typing another U. Saying U, something like that. Alright, I think we've learned enough to use Vim. At first, oh, let me tell you something else. If you're in a file and you're going to search for a specific word, use that escape, use forward slash. It's right down to the bottom of your keyboard. Use the slash and type the word you're looking for. Hit enter. And now if you use N or Shift and N. It will find the next or the previous one that match your character. Let me write a bunch of how here. Another how here. And let's search for how. Use forward slash and type the word you're looking for. Hit enter, and if you use N, you will see here it's on this part. If you use N, it's on that part. Come here. If you use Shift and N, it will go upper on the upper things that he found it. I hope you liked that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you guys are interested about Vim, let me know in the comment below. I will record another video about Vim. Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.